Bing bong, hello. Welcome back. Look, right now, I'm in Salt Lake City, and this is my very first car show. It's the very first car show for Spawn and the Resurrection Porsche. Woo! I'm trying to stay calm. Nah, forget that. Yo, it's about to go down. I had a lot of stuff recorded, but I'm just going to keep it simple. And we're just going to go there. We're going to see all the cars. I'm calling it right now. 2 trophies. 2 trophies minimum on them. Minimum. At least. That's it. But first things first, though. We got to get out of these bad boys. Let's go. First we got to wash. Oh, shit. Whew. We showed up. And we made it just in time. So you'll see where I'm parked at. You know, prime real estate, I'd say. Got the wheels shined up. Sorry I couldn't show y'all all of that because I was late. But we're here. We're on time. Let's check out the competition.
I'm going to talk to you this evening on the subject of the spectrum of love.
From the heart, this is, it misses. I miss you, been long and I need you. Hopefully we get to reminisce soon in light phrases. Baby, just plan the engagement, hit the lie, and we wonder where the days went. This is meant like peppermint patties. You be the mom, I play the daddy. The seeds that we planted, they will blossom with souls across them. How you like the names Elijah and Austin? Used to kick it, but no sock up. Quick to bust the block up if a nigga run across ya. Positive vibes only, you always console me. To the darkest places like lagoons or some spaceships. In my mind it often races to various places. To the moon and back, that's how far my love stretches. When you get the time, can you hit me back? When you get the time, can you hit me back?
Acabé de recibir tu mensaje y me llegó al alma. Me hiciste recordar todos los momentos tan bonitos e íntimos que hemos tenido. La verdad es que todavía me hace sonreír y sentir así de especial como antes. Te adoro y te veo más tarde.
Gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are approximately 70,000 light years away from the planet Earth. It is said to inhabit various life forms: water, air, and land creature. Total destruction is inherited from Roman descendants, opposed to the mindfulness of the ancient indigenous cultures. As we make our way towards the conscious mind galaxy, in the total form of nothingness, Please enjoy the quiet bliss of consciousness. Thank you, and enjoy your flight. Baby, won't you bust it down on me, yeah. Baby, won't you shut it down on me, yeah. Baby, don't fuck around on me, yeah. Baby, we can run the town fucking with me, yeah. She just wanna fuck all night and party. I said, baby, what's your name? You got a banging body. I'm out here floating like I'm on a fucking Molly. The way I move through your city's like I'm with an army. Let's get it crackin' with no strings attached. I'm in your pussy, you can feel it from the fucking back. With me, it's like a time lapse, just relax. With me, it's like a time lapse, just relax. Drop it to the floor, yeah. He ain't gotta know, yeah. Got some roll, yeah. Come back to my place. Baby, won't you bust it down on me, yeah. Baby, won't you shut it down on me, yeah. Baby, don't fuck around on me, yeah. Baby, we can run the town fucking with me, yeah. Lo and behold, cause baby, you just so special. Back in the day, didn't have shit, and now you flexing on heifers. Bitches, they say whatever, that bag, it make it wetter. Put that nigga to the side, I can do it better. Suicide, yeah, when we ride. Niggas talking slick, don't need an alibi. 2-2 is gone, now I gotta watch him ride. Now I gotta watch him ride. Drop it to the floor, yeah. He ain't gotta know, yeah. Got some roll, yeah. Come back to my place.
Vibrations.
I couldn't help but notice your pain. My pain runs deep. Share it with me.
I can give at least 10 fucks what a bitch say. I'm in the Ferrari doing 80 when I switch lanes. I was waiting for you down at 79th and Biscuit. I was fucking with you, now the shit is getting risky. I've been the Chevy photo with the rims, beating on your pussy, baby. Like damn, if you fuck with bitches, then bring your friends. Lot of sketchy niggas, but I'm nothing like them. And from the drive, you can feel the wind on by the side. 2020 Bonnie and Clyde, and when we ride. Hesitation, I get the bus and need an alibi. Cause like John Lennon, I'm a jealous guy. Baby, where your mind at? I've been trying to find out. I've been getting money. Check out all these diamonds. I can give at least 10 fucks with a bitch say. I'm in the Ferrari doing 80 when I switch lanes. I was waiting for you down at 79 and Biscuit. I was fucking with you, now the shit is getting risky. That's my queen, that's my cream. That's my glow up. She's a beast in the shit. Do it till she fucking throw up. Lock and low on the blow. Just hold up. I'm on a boat like I'm Noah. Taking shots like a soldier. These niggas, they some hoes, bro. They be trying to control us. I'm in my zone on the pill and the half in the spaceship, baby, fly over. Yeah. I'm in my zone on the pill and the half in the spaceship, baby, fly over.
How did y'all like that show? I loved it. I enjoyed it. There's a lot of dope cars there. I did not win. nothing. I don't know, man. It was crazy. It was crazy. We've been here before, right? Y'all remember that show in Chicago? Oh well. Oh well. A lot of dope cars, man. One car I never seen before. Now I can't remember the name of it. But through all of that, I want to say real quick before I go, the highlight of that event was this right here. So this young man came up, and everybody, if you know me, if you've been to some events I've been to, I'm a sucker for the kids, man. I love the kids because that's really, this whole thing is inspiration. I just want to be inspirational and show people that, yo, you can do this, you can make it, it's possible, you know. And he told me it was his favorite car out of the whole show. He's a little enthusiast, and it was just dope, man, to just connect with him. And so you know, I let him get in, rev it up, start it up. We had the same name, the same government name, actually. That was pretty dope. But that right there made my night. I didn't even care about the trophies. The prize to win or not win, that didn't even matter. That right there was my trophy. That was a win for me, that that we shared that moment. So I appreciate that. I hope you're watching this video. Woo, boy, I got a little, yeah. No, for real, and that's real. Yo, that's real. I really enjoyed that, man. I appreciate it. We're gonna keep trying though. More shows coming up. There's just so much coming up, man. The most I can just say is, yo, stay tuned. Keep your peace.